Make money online with CPA marketing. So in this video, I'm going to utilize completely new platform to promote CPA offers. So this video is for beginners. So before I'm going to start this video, make sure to subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So the first step is you guys simply came to CPAGrip. We came to CPAGrip because we are going to promote CPA offers, and CPAGrip is one of the CPA marketing platform, and I show you this platform like almost a lot of the times. So I'm not going to give you the overview and the detail of this platform. Almost everybody know about CPAGrip. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to directly go and show you how you guys can go and promote CPA offers. That is the main thing, right? And if any new person is watching and they don't have CPAGrip account, all you need to do is simply click register, fill out all your basic details, and your account will be created instantly. CPAGrip don't need any kind of approval. Okay, so I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote CPA offers. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logged in CPAGrip account. So you guys log in and you guys can also able to see all this kind of offers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna directly show you how you guys can go and promote any kind of offer. Okay, so I'm gonna simply click on offers and tools, and I'm gonna simply click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you guys can see this kind of page. So all the offers you guys can see able to see here. So these are all the filters. Select specific device, stats or category, and specific country. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on all countries. So once you selected all the countries, now you guys can see all the country offers pops up. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna filter it out. I am looking for email and zip submit because this is the simplest and easiest way to convert and generate a sale basically. Okay, click this. So once you did these two filters, like select all countries, and we selected category, email, zip submit, and now I'm looking for the highest payout. So once you selected both filters like all countries and email and zip submit, now what I'm gonna do is I am looking for the highest payout. I'm gonna click 2 times, and now you guys can see that is the offer, is the highest payout offer right now. It's like $3.42, and it's a Canada offer. You guys can see here, if I click this, so you guys can see it's a Canada offer, and enter a mobile number, and we are that person will literally add their mobile number, and we are able to make $3.42. It's a mobile iOS offer, and email and zip submit, basically it says add your mobile phone number, and it's a credit card, credit report type of offer. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how and where we're gonna go and promote this offer. Okay, so all you need to do is just simply copy this link, close this, and now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote this CPA offer. So let's go to the next step. So the next step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called systeme.io, and like everybody knows, systeme.io is a landing page and funnel builder. So in here we're gonna create a simple landing page for our CPA offer because direct linking is not allowed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply click on funnels. So once you click on the funnels, you guys can see this kind of page. So in here we're gonna create a funnel. So before I'm gonna create a funnel, I'm gonna tell you one thing. This is completely free. Systeme.io is completely free for beginners. You guys can go and sign up for completely free. That's why I'm showing you this platform. Okay, so now let's go create a funnel. So simply click create. So once you click create, now you guys can add a name of your funnel. So I'm gonna go with like CPA CA, means like CPA Canada. Simply click on custom and simply click save. Once you click save, now we're gonna click on this CPA CA. Now I'm gonna click add step. Again, I'm gonna add a name. Again, I added a name, CPA CA, CPA Canada, and now you guys can see I'm gonna select a sales page and simply click save, and now you guys can see a lot of templates will pops up. So now you guys can see a lot of pre-made templates pops up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select one of the template. You guys literally select any template because we're gonna delete every single thing from that template, and we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So I selected this one. Once you click selected, now I'm gonna simply click edit page. So now you guys can see this sales page is open up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete every single thing from this sales page or template, whatever you call, and we're gonna build our landing page from completely scratch. So quickly I'm gonna delete, and then I'm gonna show you. Right now you guys can see I delete every single thing from this landing page except this, and now I'm gonna build my landing page from scratch. Okay, so the number one thing is I'm gonna simply drag and drop that row here like this. So once you drag and drop that row, click this. Quickly I'm gonna change the color to white. You guys, it's completely up to you. You guys can go with like any color, but I'm gonna go with like white. Scroll down, I'm gonna click on the shadow, blurry shadow. It's completely up to you. There is a lot of different kind of shadows. You go with like anyone. It's completely up to you. I'm gonna show you the basic procedure only. Okay, so once you did this, I'm gonna click this. I'm gonna go with like headline text. Once I added headline text, now scroll down. I'm gonna go with like image, simple one image, and now first I'm gonna upload my drag and drop my quickly title, sorry, not a title, it's like a headline. And I'm gonna go with like H2. I'm gonna increase the size up to like 50 to 60, and I'm gonna go with like this one. And I'm gonna also what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna change the color somehow green like this. It looks good. And now I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna also change the font like Google Fonts, and I'm gonna go with like this one, Acme. This looks good. And now I'm gonna increase the size of this font, let's see, like 60 looks good, right? So now I'm gonna upload an image from my PC quickly. I'm gonna upload and then I'm gonna show you. So you guys can see I uploaded this image. So this is, you guys can easily find this kind of images. You guys type like credit report or free credit report, you guys can easily find this kind of images on Google. And I uploaded here. Scroll down. Now I'm gonna simply drag and drop that button here like this, and I'm gonna literally modify this button quickly. First thing is I'm gonna remove the subtext from here. And now scroll down. First thing is I'm going to change the color to somehow green, the same color that is a free color. Scroll down and you guys can see the background. I'm going to also go with like green. I'm going to go with like shadow is blurry shadow, looks good, that's why I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to also change the font because font does not looks good, to be honest. I'm going to go with like Google Safe Fonts, and I'm going to go with like Acme again because it looks good. And I'm going to increase the size to somehow 30 to 35, let's see. So I'm going to go with like 35, and I'm going to also add icons like you guys can see before text icon. Scroll down. So you guys can see I find this kind of icon. So I'm going to go with like this one. I'm going to also go with like after the text icon, click this and scroll down a little bit, and you guys can find again a different icon. Scroll down, and I'm going to also increase the size of this button like this. And now I'm going to click on this background. I'm going to go with like little bit gray background to look good, or black background, it's completely up to you, but I'm gonna go with like little bit gray. And now I'm gonna click on this white background like this, sorry, click on white background, scroll down, and you guys can see one thing is like rounded corners is these edges. Okay, so I'm gonna go with like 5. So you guys can see I added 5 for all, and you guys can see these edges is a little bit rounded and it looks good, right? So last thing is I'm gonna scroll all the way up, and you guys can see margin. I'm gonna go with like 200% left, 200% right, and click this. And now you guys can see this is how our simple and basic landing page looks. Really good, neat and clean, and this landing page looks really good. So I'm gonna click save changes, and now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go and promote this landing page. Okay, so let's go to the next step. The next step is you guys simply came to this website. This website is called UNGads.com. So once you came to this website is a really good website for promoting CPA related offers. And I'm going to show you 2 ways in this website, through this website, to promote your offers. And I'm going to also show you direct linking technique in this video, okay, with this you call it platform. Okay, so this is a really big platform. You guys can see 800 million plus impression daily, 190 countries, and 500 plus publishers. So like right now I'm going to show you how we're going to go and promote our CPA offer with this website. Okay, so just don't waste the time, do not waste the time, sorry. And all you need to do is simply click sign up advertiser like this. So once you click this, all you need to do is just simply add your email, simply click add your like Facebook name, simply add anything, username, and simply click agree and click register, and your account will be created. They ask for a password, you add password, and your account will be created instantly. They don't need any kind of approval. Your account will be created instantly. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next and how we're gonna promote CPA offer. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am logged in my UNG ads account. So once you log in, you guys can see this kind of page. So first you guys can see campaigns. In here you guys are able to see statistics, traffic volume, ad funds, finances, API tracking, profile. So you guys can literally go and overview all these things. I'm not going to give you the overview, I'm going to show you the main point. Okay, so once you came, what you guys can do, how we're going to promote our CPA offer, all you need to do is simply create campaign. So once you click create campaign, first thing is you guys can name your campaign. So I'm going to calling it CPA CA because our campaign is our offer is for Canada, so that's why I selected CPA CA. And now you guys can see campaign type. So we go with like push because push notification works really well, and a lot of people are using push notification for CPA offers. So once you select it, now you guys can see pricing model basically. So we go with like CPC, means cost per click. If anyone click on our ad, then we will pay any money. Okay, so that's why we go with like cost per click, and you guys can see we go with like cost per click like 0.50 cents per click. We go with like minimum like this. Okay, and now we scroll down in here. First, landing page URL. Before I'm gonna add the landing page URL, I'm gonna set up my ad, then I'm gonna add my landing page URL. Okay, so scroll down and you guys can see title and description, and add your icon and upload image. So quickly I'm gonna add my title, description and image, and then I'm gonna show you to save the time. Okay, so give me a second. So now you guys can see I uploaded my title and description, and these are two images. I literally download this image from Google, and this is the the offer we are promoting. Basically, this is a borrower and this kind of offer, and that is the logo of that offer. Okay, so this is basically a credit card or credit card report related offer. So that's why I uploaded these two images. Okay, so once you start going to promote this offer, you guys must see the landing page. Okay, so I already see and I know, so that's why I created this kind of ad. So now scroll down. Once you did this, then you guys can see optimal. So we go with like user activity, go with like optimal country, because our offer only works in Canada, so we go with like Canada. And now you guys can see states, so all things are good. Now scroll down and you guys can see we go with like traffic type mainstream, and devices, because our offer only works in mobile phone, so we go with like phone. And we only go with like iOS, because our offer only works with iPhone basically. So scroll down and you guys can see daily limit, so I'm not gonna touch anything from here, especially if you're a beginner. So all the things are done. So last thing is remaining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste my landing page link here. So you guys can see I'm gonna simply copy and paste my direct CPAGrip link. So I pasted direct CPAGrip affiliate link because this website allow you to do direct CPAGrip link, means they allow you to do direct linking. Okay, so but why I show you to create a landing page? I show you to create a landing page because sometimes these websites don't allow you to do direct linking. That's why you need a landing page. But right now this website allow you to do direct linking. That's why I pasted my direct CPAGrip link here. Might be sometimes they don't allow you, but a lot of the times, majority of the time, this website allow you to do direct linking. So once you add it, now I'm going to scroll all the way down and let's see if this website allow me or not. Simply click start campaign. So boom, now you guys can see I click start campaign and they allow me to do direct linking. Right now you guys can see it's in moderation. Again, it says like took 15 to 20 minutes to approve, or sometimes like it will take more time to approve. Once your campaign is approved, then you are able to see like these are impressions, these are link clicks, these are like conversions, and how much money you spend, like price and total clicks, and all these things you guys are able to see. If you want to see like detailed stats, you click this, you are also able to see detailed stats. And one thing is, all the time remember, do not spend more than $5 to $10 or $20 maximum. If you're spending like $5 to $10 or $20 maximum, for example, and if you're seeing you are getting results, you're seeing like sales coming to your CPAGrip offer, then make sure let this campaign run. If you're not getting sale, just delete this campaign, create a new campaign and test the campaign. Because in affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, basically if you're running any kind of ads are basically on testing. You guys must test which ad works for you, which ad creative works for you or not. Okay, but again, if you're spend $5 to $10, if you're getting any conversion, you're seeing result, let this campaign run. If you're not seeing result, delete this campaign and create a new campaign and test that campaign again. Okay, so with this CPA marketing method and the strategy I show you, you guys able to generate decent amount of money. But remember one thing, if you're spend $5 to $10 and if you're seeing results, then make sure let this campaign run. If you're not seeing results, all you need to do is just delete this campaign and create a new campaign and test that campaign again. Okay, and remember one thing all the time, the strategies and the method I'm going to show you all the time, that methods and the strategies is not working for everyone. Few methods and the strategies are working for few people, and few methods and the strategies are working for other people. Results are depending on person to person. Okay, and if you want to make money online with the fastest and autopilot way, then I highly suggest you guys must watch this video.